Morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So, how are you all?
Great.
Okay, that's great. That sounds good, guys. Great, awesome, and you can say over the moon. Okay. So every day learns new vocabularies over the moon. Sometimes sounds good, right? Not all the time. That fine. Otherwise, I will take fine, guys. Right? Okay. So let's start. Like a very beautiful morning, and we have conducted this seminar for many purpose, guys. Many we have many reasons for conducting this kind of seminar. And last time also we conducted here. There were also few students. So whoever are, but for me, you are six, but it is thousand for me, guys, right? And in this seminar, I'm gonna talk about public speaking, guys. So how many of you guys? First of all, tell me, guys, how are you all? I have already asked you. Since everything fine, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you present here?
Yes, sir.
Physically or mentally?
Both.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Because you need to be very, very attentive, very, very active, and energetic to listen also. If you really want to be a good speaker or a speaker, you need to be a good listener, guys. If you are not a good listener, means your mind is somewhere else. You are physically present here, but mentally you are not. Then it is difficult to learn also. And
सुनेंगे आपको बोलने वाला बनना है या सुनने वाला मुझे ये बताओ
दोनों में
ठीक है listening is also an art, no doubt about it, but you have to be a good speaker as well because it is more important than anything else in the world, right? So you need to, अगर आपकी बात सुनाई दे, अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि दूसरे आपको सुने तो आपको क्या करना है? Of course बोलना है. तो बोलेंगे कैसे? Effective बोलेंगे, because defective language is not effective, right? This is what my father used to tell me. कि ठीक है, you speak whatever you want to speak, but you should speak effectively, right? So effective speaking matters. Okay, so speaking, you become loud and clear, right? When you have communication skills, you are loud and clear, you are audible to everybody, right? Everybody can hear you properly, and hence you will be heard by all.